Our homes should be our sanctuaries, places of peace and order, but sometimes danger hides in the most unexpected places. Welcome to this channel. Stay tuned for useful and helpful tips. We meticulously clean our living spaces, yet we often overlook a critical area, our washer and dryer vents. These unsung heroes of laundry day can harbor hidden dangers if neglected. A clogged vent is not just inconvenient, it's a potential fire hazard. Clean vents are essential for a healthy and efficient home. They allow our dryers to function optimally, drying clothes quickly and efficiently. A clogged vent forces your dryer to work harder, consuming more energy and increasing your utility bills. More importantly, a clean vent significantly reduces the risk of fire. Lint buildup in vents is highly flammable and can easily ignite, putting your home and loved ones at risk. Cleaning your washer and dryer vents is a straightforward process that anyone can do. Regular maintenance of these vents is crucial for the efficiency and safety of your appliances. Over time, lint and debris can accumulate, posing a fire hazard and reducing the performance of your dryer. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your appliances run smoothly and safely. Let's start with the dryer vent. This is often the most neglected part of your laundry routine, but it's essential for the dryer's performance. First, unplug the dryer and disconnect the vent from the wall. Safety is paramount, so make sure the appliance is completely powered off before you begin. Gently pull out the vent from the back of the dryer. Be careful not to damage the vent or the connection point. Use a vent brush or a vacuum with a crevice attachment to remove lint and debris from inside the vent. Make sure to clean thoroughly, reaching as far into the vent as possible. This will help prevent any blockages that could lead to overheating or fire. For the washer vent, locate the drain hose and check for kinks or blockages. A blocked drain hose can cause water to back up into the washer, leading to potential water damage and inefficient washing cycles. Use a straightened wire hanger to dislodge any clogs. Carefully insert the hanger into the hose and gently move it around to break up any blockages. This simple tool can be very effective in maintaining a clear and functional vent system. Once you've cleaned both vents, reattach the dryer vent to the back of the dryer and plug the appliances back in. Make sure all connections are secure and there are no gaps where lint could escape. Test the dryer to ensure it's working correctly. Run a short cycle to make sure the air is flowing freely through the vent. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections and clean the vent again if necessary. Regularly cleaning your washer and dryer vents can extend the life of your appliances and keep your home safe. Make it a part of your routine maintenance to enjoy efficient and worry-free laundry days. Your cleaning arsenal. Tools for the task. You don't need fancy equipment to clean your vents. A few basic tools will suffice. A vent brush, specifically designed to navigate the curves of the vent, is highly effective in removing lint, or a simple bottle brush can be used as well. A vacuum cleaner with a crevice attachment can also remove debris from the vent and surrounding areas. A straightened wire hanger, handled with care, can be used to dislodge stubborn clogs in both dryer and washer vents. Neglect and its consequences. The risks of ignoring vent cleaning. Ignoring your vents can lead to a host of problems. When you neglect to clean your dryer vents, you are setting yourself up for a range of issues that can affect your home, your safety, and your wallet. The most serious risk is a fire hazard. Dryer lint is extremely flammable, and when it accumulates in your vents, it creates a dangerous situation. Lint buildup in the vents is highly flammable and can easily ignite from the dryer's heat. This can lead to devastating fires that not only damage your property, but also put lives at risk. Additionally, clogged vents can cause your dryer to overheat and malfunction, leading to costly repairs or even replacement. When the airflow is restricted, the dryer has to work harder, which can cause it to overheat and break down. A poorly functioning dryer can also lead to higher energy bills as it struggles to dry clothes. When your dryer is not operating efficiently, it uses more energy to get the job done, which can significantly increase your utility bills over time. Regular maintenance and cleaning of your dryer vents can prevent these issues. By taking the time to clean your vents, you can ensure that your dryer operates safely and efficiently, saving you money and giving you peace of mind. It's recommended to have your dryer vents cleaned at least once a year by a professional. This simple step can make a big difference in the safety and efficiency of your home. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action now to protect your home and your loved ones. A stitch in time. Establishing a cleaning routine. The good news is that preventing these issues is simple and straightforward. Make vent cleaning a regular part of your household chores and routines. Ideally, clean your dryer vent after every few loads of laundry to prevent lint buildup and potential hazards. Inspect your washer vent regularly for kinks or blockages, ensuring smooth operation, especially if your washing machine drains slowly or shows signs of trouble. A clean vent, a happy home. A clean and well-maintained home is a happy home. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space where you and your family can thrive. When your home is clean, it feels more welcoming and comfortable. It becomes a sanctuary where you can relax and unwind after a long day. But maintaining a clean home goes beyond just tidying up the living room or kitchen. It involves taking care of those often overlooked areas that can impact your home's overall health and safety. Cleaning your washer and dryer vents might seem like a small task, but it plays a significant role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of your home. Over time, lint and debris can accumulate in these vents, posing a fire hazard and reducing the efficiency of your appliances. By regularly cleaning these vents, you can prevent potential fires and ensure that your washer and dryer operate at their best. This not only extends the life of your appliances, but also saves you money on energy bills. By incorporating this simple chore into your routine, you can enjoy peace of mind and a more efficient laundry experience. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your appliances are running smoothly and safely. Plus, a clean laundry room can make the task of doing laundry feel less like a chore and more like a pleasant activity. It's a small effort that yields significant rewards. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in creating a safe and joyful living environment. Taking the time to clean your washer and dryer vents is just one example of how small actions can have a big impact. So, make it a part of your regular cleaning routine and enjoy the benefits of a cleaner, safer, and happier home. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.